Hi Aries, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the month of June. Let's see what your month has. Alright, so clearly your month has you coming into your power, what you don't see is fast new beginnings. But the month must have already started with endings of a certain kind because of all the eclipses and the retrograde. So you must have been forced to visit the old patterns, the old trends that have not served you well in the past. And I see you in the power. I see you knowing what you want, knowing what is good for you. And definitely there's an offer, there's a substantial offer, there's a promising offer which will be better than what you've gotten up till now. Let's clarify. So yes, you will be spoiled for choices because you have had strength in the past. Like I said, something took a lot of energy out of you. Something wasn't very pleasant to begin with, but a very good offer. You are in your power. You are, like I said, you are in your strength right now. And I see that for some of you, out of the two choices that you were facing, you have left one of those for some of you, and for rest of you, it's completely going into a new direction, leaving behind the old patterns, like I said, the old things which didn't serve you well. Let's clarify some more. So yes, again, like I said, you deserve it. You are back in your power. You have really endured a lot of problems, and there's a wish fulfillment this month. There's something, like I said, a big offer coming towards you. For those of you looking for love, definitely yes. For those of you looking for a business to start, a job also, it looks yes. You are cutting off things which are not serving you well, very clearly. You are moving on. Let's clarify this with the major arcana cards. Chariot again. So a lot of changes. Judgment coming twice, so you will definitely get what you have. Star coming twice. So yes, I think cards are repeating, so the pattern is very clear. You are moving on. Things are changing very quickly for you. Things that you have always wished for, you will see those very quickly, and what you deserve is what you will get this month, right? So judgment will be served this month very clearly. Judgment coming twice, chariot coming twice, star coming twice. Aries, it's a very good month for you, even though it has started slowly, because I see the month starting very slow, past things still being tied up to you. But as you move on in the month, you will see very big changes happening. Let's see how you can handle this month. Austerity, regulated, submissive. So be very clear of, like I said, you are very clear. Be very clear of what you want, what are your demands. I know you know your worth now. Be very clear of what you really want from the other party, other person. Regulate your emotions, regulate your thoughts. Don't keep on expressing emotions in the wrong place at the wrong time. Regulate them. Think about how you want to express it, when you want to express it, and yes, be a little submissive. You don't need to be aggressive or really need to come out strong. You can be nice and down to earth, even though you are expressing a negative emotion. So this is your message for the month, and I see a very good month. I see some of you guys really benefiting from June. All the best, and thank you for watching.